We want to type number 8 with a comma. You must simply type like this, number 8 comma. And in this video we discuss how to create this number 8 with comma using a keyboard shortcut method. For doing this you must go to your keyboard, and suppose this numlock is off, you must enable the number lock, and you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, in this numeric section here you must type 1 2 7 2 4 1. So after typing 1 2 7 2 4 1, you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that the number 8 with comma have been added using this method. You can try this after opening Microsoft Word in your computer. Hope this video is useful. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.